Hi, this is Paul McLellan with this week's video version of Sunday Brunch. And we started the week with one of my updates, looking at another company we acquired in computational fluid dynamics and PCIe and some RISC-V tape out in 5 nanometer. Then a look at Orbit.io, presentation for the latest 3D packaging conference. Wednesday, a look at the NSA's recommendations on zero trust security. Thursday, we announced 2 new Tensilica processors, the Q8 and the P1. And then on Friday, a look at security again with a presentation jointly between Cadence and one of our partners, Dover, looking at the lessons to be learned from SolarWinds. PSpice, fresh every morning.